Hello everyone! Is your car struggling to shift into second gear, slipping, or showing sluggish acceleration? If your OBD2 scanner has thrown the P0732 error code, Gear 2 incorrect ratio, it means your transmission isn't engaging second gear properly. In this video, I'll explain what P0732 means, its symptoms, and, most importantly, where to locate the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. The P0732 trouble code appears when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects that the actual gear ratio in second gear does not match the expected ratio. This can lead to poor acceleration, rough shifting, and even complete transmission failure if ignored. Common symptoms of P0732: hard shifting into second gear, transmission slipping between first and third gear, loss of power and acceleration issues, check engine light on limp mode activation, transmission stuck in one gear. If you're experiencing these problems, let's locate the key components causing the issue. To diagnose P0732, check these key components: transmission input speed sensor, ISS sensor. Location: mounted on the transmission case, near the input shaft or bell housing. Function: measures how fast the input shaft is spinning to determine shift timing. Transmission output, speed sensor, OSS sensor. Location: near the transmission output shaft, usually at the end of the transmission housing. Function: tracks vehicle speed and helps the PCM calculate gear ratios. Second gear shift solenoid, SS2. Location: inside the transmission mounted on the valve body. Function: controls hydraulic pressure to engage second gear. Transmission Control Module, TCM, or Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location: usually under the hood, near the battery or firewall. Function: receives data from sensors and controls shifting. Transmission fluid and valve body location: inside the transmission pan, under the vehicle. Function: regulates hydraulic pressure for smooth gear shifts. Wiring and connectors location: between the ISS sensor, OSS sensor, shift solenoids, and PCM. Function: transmits crucial data. Damaged wiring can cause incorrect readings. Common causes of P0732: faulty transmission input speed sensor, incorrect input speed data disrupts shifting, defective transmission output speed sensor, PCM miscalculates gear ratios, malfunctioning second gear shift solenoid, prevents smooth gear changes, low or dirty transmission fluid, contaminated fluid affects gear engagement, worn or damaged transmission components, issues with clutch packs, bands, or torque converter, PCM or TCM malfunction, incorrect gear ratio calculations due to faulty software or hardware, broken or corroded wiring, disrupted communication between sensors and control modules. How to fix P0732. Step 1. Check transmission fluid level. If it's low or dirty, replace it with fresh ATF. Step 2. Inspect the ISS and OSS sensors. Check for damage or loose connections. Step 3. Test sensor voltage. Use a multimeter to check sensor readings. If faulty, replace the sensor. Step 4. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, loose connections, or frayed wires. Step 5. Check the second gear shift solenoid. If it's bad, replace it. Step 6. Inspect the valve body and transmission internals. If clutch packs or bands are worn, a rebuild may be needed. Step 7. Reprogram or replace PCM/TCM. If all else fails, PCM reprogramming or replacement might be needed. Step 8. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD2 scanner to reset the code and monitor shifting performance. Final words. Ignoring P0732 can lead to severe transmission damage and costly repairs. Fixing it early ensures a smoother and safer drive. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0720, output speed sensor circuit malfunction. P0721, output speed sensor circuit range performance. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.